Hi guys, this is Matthew again. This is our second strategy for today, 1st of January 2022. So let me just close this here. Let's take this few box. Okay, we made 0.43 right there. Happy new month to all our subscribers and viewers, guests, and all our subscribers watching us globally. We'd like to wish you all a successful new year ahead. 2022 will be our best year so far. Whatever it is we wish for, success, prosperity, good health, blessings, journey mercies, whatever it is we wish for shall be accomplished in Jesus' name. May Allah grant us all our desires in this new year 2022. This is our second strategy for today. For those who haven't watched our first strategy, just go right now, go and subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping today. And here we'll be trading the boom 1000. So I'm going to refresh this because this has stopped moving. So these are some of the bugs we observed on the derivative day trader interface. I'm going to refresh this for us to see the movement again, because we are working with one indicator right here. We are working with one indicator, so I have to be seeing the movement for it to overlap. Okay, so you can see it's moving again. It's moving again. So I'm going to reset our indicator once again. We are using this to also touch whatever is the indicator right here is under. Let me see where it is right here. Okay, it's under the momentum. That's the stochastic momentum index. So I have to close it. Let me close it and reopen it for you guys to be able to see it. So okay, let's start from the beginning. We are using the D trader interface, so we're going to go to the trade type here, and we are trading the boom 1000 index. So we go to synthetic indices, and you scroll down to boom 1000. Okay, is it right here, boom 1000. So once you click on it, we are going to be trading the multiplier. You click on multiplier. By default it's always multiply if you are trading the boom 1000 index. So we're going to change this. Actually, we are not taking the 59. It's just this is top out. So once you hit this, that's when you'll be making a loss, if you are going to make a loss. So we're going to increase this to the maximum for us to be able to increase the commission. We are trading the down, but we have to set our indicator. So we'll go to indicator, we'll go to momentum, we'll go to the stochastic momentum index, whatever it is. So once it's active, you see it there, active one, so you will see it right here. So we're going to be clicking on the down. Once this red, you can see the black and the red. Once the red is overlapping the black, you quickly click on down, and our mouse has to quickly be on close. So you will not see the black, the red will be overlapping it. To be overlapping, so let's place one trade for you to be able to see. So it's overlapping it there, you won't see the black. You click on the down, then our mouse has to be here. So once we are in profit, we are going to close the trade. Okay, we are in profit there, but we want more profit. Let me just wait for it to go up a bit, and I will take it and we'll trade again. You can see these are stop moving, so we have to refresh again in our next trade for us to be able to see the movement. These are stop outs 29.50. so actually if this thing is a minus and it hits this, as you can see, that's plus 1 point something. You can leave it, let it go on a bit. Okay, Okay, let me just close this, then we'll trade again. So before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the Toscalper automated trading boat, to order this boat, all you have to do is to visit www.toscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can see some of the results right there. 1st of January 2022. This is Deriv. You can see we rigged in about 48.20 USD. On the binary.com interface, we rigged in 14.47, 6 wins, 1 loss. You can see the result. The boat is just 9.99 USD, and you can make payment using Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Web Money, bank transfer, and other payment options. So to order the boat, all you have to do is to just visit the order page, www.toscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. The Pip Stripper boat as well. The boat is automated and the boat trades on digits. You can see the results right there. Deriv and binary.com for today, 1st of January 2022. The boat is just 7.99 USD. To order the boat, visit binarypipstripperboat.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. Here are the links again. So this is the link to order the Pip Stripper boat. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the Toscalper boat, and this is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to our channel. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels for more updates. So let's get back to the trading. So we are going for another trade, so I'm going to refresh this because you can see this has stopped moving, so we have to be able to see the movement of the stochastic momentum indicator. So I'm going to refresh this and go for one more trade. Okay, so let's wait for this black and red to show up. Okay, that's the black right there. That's the black right there. You have to see the red as well. Okay, the red and the black has shown up. Don't forget, make sure you check all the settings and they are still correct. So once the red overlaps the black, we click on down. You can see what I mean by overlapping is the red has to be sitting on the black, so you won't see the black. Then you click on down. So okay, the red is sitting on the black right there. So our mouse has to be here. Okay, let's wait again for us to rake in more bucks right there. You can see it has stopped moving again. So to place another trade, you have to refresh the browser, so you have to see the movement, because I think this is a bug with the DTrader Deriv interface, so it shouldn't stop moving. So we are in profit, so what matters is for you to keep your eye on this. So once you are okay with the profits, you just close it. Let me just wait for it to hit 1 point something. Okay, let me close that and rigged in that. So you can go on and on and on. You can just make sure you watch the indicator before you click on the down button. Thanks for watching. Bye.